How to change the footer color in your Shopify store. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how it's done. It is very easy and very simple, and you can apply this to all of your store. So first, we just want to go to our Shopify admin, click on online store themes, and click on edit theme. From here, we have this footer right here, and we want to change the color of it. So the first thing is that we want to actually create a new color palette, let's say. So we just wanted to go to the theme settings here from the top left, and then we just simply want to click on colors. Now you can actually see it as schemes. Depending on your themes, just go in and click on either one of them. From here, we can just click on add new scheme, and we're just going to create a new one. And in here, you can just feel free to go through all of the different colors that you want. So I'm just going to make something a little unique so we can actually, tell that it has changed. So the background is going to be light gray, for example. I'm just going to leave the text as it is. And yeah, you can obviously feel free to really adjust this because you have a lot of options when it comes to the buttons, when it comes to the secondary buttons, inputs, variants, and so on. So once you adjust all of these, we simply just want to go back to sections from the top. Once you click on sections, we are just going to select the footer. And then from here, we should be able to find color scheme. And it's going to be by default scheme 1. But we want to change that to the one that we have just created. So we just want to click on it and select scheme 8. And as you can see, everything is going to change according to the color scheme that we have just selected. So if we just go for this one instead, it's going to also change accordingly. So this is actually going to apply to any other section as well, not only the footer. So for example, if you go to the header instead, you simply just click on it and you're going to be able to find the scheme for it. So with that being said, this is how to change the color of the footer on your Shopify. Hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.